We are at the beach in the middle of nowhere. There's crocodiles here. Probably should have, whoops. I cannot believe how much YouTube has inspired me to create. I'm finding my voice through video. There's so much stuff I wanted to do. Bucket list stuff. You'll never change your life until you step out of your comfort zone. Change begins at the end of your comfort zone. Mum as well, taking time off work to help either of us out. We really appreciate it, and I know we don't tell you enough, but...
Thank you.
Thanks.
Trying to maintain a sustainable life while constantly thinking of new creative concepts.
Yeah! Smashed it, big guy!
Creating is the way to get in sync with your inner artist.
What are we doing, buddy?
But when you get there, it's worth it.